Real quick, the Wednesday announcements for today. Number one, be sure to send your daily email. It doesn't need to be anything special. Just earn your points every day. Again, it doesn't need to be a lot. Just something like hi or working or here or present. Anything like that that keeps that allows me to see that you sent me an email. Get you your points for the day. I do not grade what you say. If you have a question, if you have something you want to say, I will gladly entertain that and respond to it. But just make sure you're sending me that. If you miss a Zoom meeting, be sure to look for the email like the one you just saw with the summary. I am starting to get questions that I've already answered a few times, so please try to pay attention. Once we get things rolling smoothly, it's going to be a lot easier for you than having questions like when's the deadline, which again I've told you that a few times. But again, just make sure that you get into a system with this because I am trying to make sure you get all the information. You do not need to email me when you watch an Ed puzzle or do a homework assignment. These grades go in on Friday. Homework and Ed puzzle are only worth 5 and 10% of your grade. That is a dime and a nickel. Putting those in really isn't going to make that much difference in your grade and making those changes because they can only increase your score by 5%. The Ed puzzle, it does, but again, if you don't watch that on time, I put those in on Friday. You do need to email me if you retake a test or quiz. A lot of you have a 0 on your test or quiz. I recommend that you get that fixed. The password to those quizzes right now is go. Now those are going to change in a little bit, but right now the password is go. So you need to let me know and email me if you can't get that to work the right way. But again, the reason I want you to email me that is because quizzes are 35% of your grade. That is a quarter and a dime together, 35 cents worth of your work. And quizzes are tests are 50% of your grade. So when I put those in, your grade changes a lot. So you want to make sure that you let me know so I can grade them and get them into the book for you. When you're asking me a question, make sure you simplify the number of messages between us by just including a picture of the problem. Don't send me a message that says I'm lost or I don't get it or I'm having a problem. Make sure you include an image so I can look at what you have and then get you in a response as soon as possible so we don't waste 30 minutes of me trying to figure out what's wrong because by then you'll be tired of the problem and probably won't want to do it anymore. And also, if you're having issues with anything, please be clear about what's happening. Send me a screenshot of the error, send me an image of the error, give me a description to let me find out what's going wrong without having to send you 4 emails of questions, which again could spend up to 30 minutes just trying to fix a problem that you were ready to work on 30 minutes ago that you no longer want to do. An example is someone who just says, I'm having issues with MathXL. That could be a password problem. It could be a MathXL problem. It could be I don't know what my username is. It could be that I don't know how to find what I'm looking for. It could even be that you're going to the wrong website. But those are all those different types of things. There's about 15 issues that pop up with this question. But if you're more descriptive or you send me a picture, it says when I'm trying to log in, it says my account is locked. I can fix that. I see what's wrong. It's the immediate question. I can give you an immediate answer. Or when I try to log in, it's asking for a class code. For the people who are asking for the Edpuzzle class code in the beginning, I knew what your problem was, but at least you were able to tell me what was wrong, not to say I can't get to the videos because that's just a general random statement. I need to know what's going on so I can help you as fast as possible. But other than that, that is your Wednesday announcements. We again will meet tomorrow on Thursday. Please try to make sure you show up on time. Or at least log in to make sure it's going on, or that you email me and let me know you're working. But other than that, I hope you all have a good evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow.